Okay, game na. Nasaan yung music natin? Hindi yan mahirap. Isa lang, hindi naman siya talagang kakalamit. Kagating lang siya na parating. Kailangan darating dito sa bunganga nyo.
Yung apple daw, nandito daw sa one of them.
Ng paraan sa
Papunta sa bunganga. Okay?
Working all week, 9 to 5 for my money. So when the weekend comes, I go get live with the honeys. Rolling down the street, I saw this girl when she was partying. I opened my eyes, she got in my ride, went to the club, it was jumping. Introduced myself as dog, and she said, you're a lion. I said, I got it rolling on, baby, and I'm on fire. I took her to the hotel, she said, you're okay. I said, be my friend, if you know what I mean, and let us do the wild thing. Wild thing. Please, baby, baby, please. Shopping at the mall, looking for some gear. I saw this girl, she rocked my hood, and I had to adjust my fly. She looked at me and smiled and said, you have plans for the night? I said, hopefully if things go well.
partner niyo.
Okay, sir.
Hindi kailangan uubusin mo ka. Magkaganyan siya. Okay, bawal ang kamay. Ang kamay, bawal.
Dito ka ganyan.
Oh, pwede basta wala ang kamay. Basta tiyan lang ang gagalaw nyo niyan. Paakyat, paakyat. Bakit na kayo pababa, paakyat, pababa, paakyat. Oh. Okay, ang pauna, manalo of course. Ready? Get set, go! Dali, 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 dali.